Good morning, everybody. Hope your Wednesday is going well. This is Mr. Miller coming at you just to let you know what you got to do today for your Wednesday work. So, we're going to start out here. You obviously have already gotten into the Wednesday folder and you found today's folder where you'll find these instructions. I'm not going to go in there again and show any more of that. But your work is going to basically be in the Outsiders folder. So, you're going to want to click on the Outsiders. And we're going to be working on vocabulary today. So I want you to click on that vocabulary folder. And you have a bunch of stuff here. Basically, I want you to do a small review, which is either going to be the review, post, CC, or the mod. One of those two will be assigned to you. I want you to click that, and I want you to take that assessment. Okay? It's only 11 questions. Shouldn't be too bad. It's all review for you guys anyway. Next, after you do that assessment, I want you to go into vocab tic-tac-toe folder here, and I want you to work your way and either do one of the three tic, tac, or toe activities for today's work, okay, to count as having done your work today. So you can either do the tic, which is just doing the exercises. You can do the tac, which is to do some Quizlet and submit some screenshots, or you can do the toe, which is the graffiti. In the vocabulary folder, if you need it, you will also see this link to the Outsiders vocab on Quizlet, which open up in a new window. And you can see these words like incredulous, of course, means you can hardly believe it. You're incredulous about something. Nonchalant, which means, you're just cool, casual, like Johnny and Ponyboy when they sat next to Cherry and Marcia. They were just nonchalant, unconcerned, casual. It's like you're too cool for school. Like you just blow everything off. You're whatever. Resign, to become submissive or give in to demands. Like you resign yourself. And I'm not going to do all these guys. Don't worry, just the first few. You resign yourself to something happening. Like I resigned myself that I was going to have to do my work at some point. And then gallant is really brave, and chivalrous. It's kind of like the opposite of how Dally is acting right now. And kind of like how I would say Derry is very gallant because he works hard to take care of his brothers. Premonition, this is a forewarning, an advanced warning that something is coming. So I want you to go through these and look through them. Try to study them as much as you can. I mean, I know, you're just learning them for the first time here, but do the best you can on those. And then when you're done, again, of course, take screenshots like I taught you guys in class, right? And a screenshot that includes these side icons showing that they're finished is fine. Please make sure it also shows the unit that you're doing and or the date in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so that's basically what you're doing today. I will be looking in here and making sure that you did this assessment and then that you did one of the tic-tac-toe activities to count for your Wednesday work. All right, so have fun with LA today. Enjoy, do your best work, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye, guys.